myself Siddhi Amol Chavan. I am from Goregaon Changes Camp, Mumbai Public School, studying in 7th standard. Today I am going to read lesson number 4.6, Papa Pano's Special Christmas. It was Christmas Eve and all through it was still afternoon. Light has begun to appear in the shops and houses of the little Russian village, for the short winter day was nearly over. Excited children scurried indoor and only muffled sound of the chatter and laughter scraped from closed shutter. Old Papa Pano, the village shoemaker, stepped outside his shop to take one last look around. The sound of happiness, the bright light and the firm but delicious smell of Christmas cooking reminded him of past Christmas time when his wife had still been alive and his own children little. Now they had gone. His usually cheerful face, with the little laughter wrinkle behind the round still spectacle, looked sad now. But he went back into the firm step, put up the shutter and the set of pot of coffee to heat on the charcoal stove. Then, with a sigh, he settled in this big armchair. Papa Pano did offended read, but to light he pulled down the big old family Bible and slowly treasured the line. With one forefinger, he read again the Christmas story. He read how Mary and Joseph, tired by their journey to Bethlehem, found no room for them at the inn, so that Mary's little baby was born in the cowshed. Oh dear, exclaimed Papa Pano, if only they had come here. I would have give them my bed and I could have covered the baby with my patchwork quilt to keep him warm. He read on about the wise man who had come to see the baby Jesus, bringing him splendid gift. Papa Pano's face fell. I have no gift that I could give him, he thought sadly. Then his face brightened. He put down the Bible, got up the stretch his long arms to keep himself high up. In his little room, he took down a small dusty box and opened it. Inside was a perfect pair of tiny leather shoes. Papa Pano smiled with satisfaction. Yes, they were as good as he
बस कर
had
देना।